Hi everyone, I'm Andy Roberts, and today we're launching our new Weekly 10 UI within Microsoft Teams. Now, if you use Weekly 10 already, you'll be familiar with the layout of the Weekly 10 app. You have your Activity tab, where you receive notifications, the Me tab, where of course you have access to all of your own information. The My Team tab is where you have access to your team's information if you're a manager. And today, you'll be able to utilize the new UI through the platform. Our current tab layout, which gives you, for example here, the ability to see your check-ins, your conversations, and of course your goals or OKRs, is now being improved. To access the new UI, simply click on the option at the bottom of your screen where it says try out the new Weekly 10. Click on the button and the new UI will load for you. We've designed this new UI to add a real in-Teams Microsoft 365 experience. So the way you use your current Microsoft apps, the way you use your current 365 tools is exactly how you will use Weekly 10. So for the Me tab, you will see first of all that we now have a new dashboard layout. The dashboard layout contains cards that give you information, whether it be about your profile, your check-ins, conversations, your goals or OKRs, and of course any activity feeds. You can now personalize this screen by dragging any of the cards around the screen to be able to configure your own experience. You'll also be able to hide certain tabs by clicking on the settings option here and by selecting or unselecting different elements from the dashboard settings. You'll then be able to hide or add additional cards. The great thing about this is you'll see many new cards coming into the system over the next few months and over the next few weeks. As soon as those cards are available, you'll be able to add them into your dashboard to be able to gain more insights into your own engagement, performance, and those of your team and organization. As well as the card layout, you'll also see on the left-hand side, you do have access to all of your usual tabs that you have in your existing system. So as we showed just now with the legacy platform, you can see your check-ins, you can see your conversations, and you can see your OKRs or goals very easily from the left-hand side. The UI is designed to load very quickly and be very flexible, so you're able to access the data as quickly as you need to do so. What you'll also see is underneath each of the cards, if there's additional information to view, such as recent activity, you can simply click on View Details. Here, if I click on View Details, it will give me, of course, access to my OKRs. And for example, if I want to go in and look at our conversations, likewise, it takes me directly to the conversation details screen. To complete your check-in, you'll of course receive your activity notification as usual, but you'll also have the ability to complete the check-in directly from the card. Simply click on Complete Check-in and you'll be straight in to complete your next check-in. And within My Team dashboard, you also have some great access into insights for your team, whether that be their OKRs or goals, viewing their recent activity, or a really handy way to see how well people are engaging with the platform. And you'll be familiar with our team overview. This is still there, so you can still access all of your team members' overview, whether it be their goals, whether it be their progress towards their conversations, or their recent check-ins. You have the ability to review and remind directly from this screen. Once again, you're able to drag and drop your dashboard cards, and you can access additional cards or hide some of those cards from the dashboard settings. Again, on the left-hand side, you have access to both your check-ins and OKRs for your team. And a really neat feature here is within check-ins, you can now view the aggregated check-ins across all of your team members and then go in and show individual team members or number of team members using our new filter icons. And if you're a department admin within the system, you'll also now have access to a department dashboard, which brings check-in information, engagement data, and sentiment data right inside of Microsoft Teams. And once again, depending on the department you have access to, you're able to select and hide individual departments within the screen itself. Again, that's reserved for super admins and department admins within this screen. We're really looking for lots of feedback on the new UI. So if you have got any feedback, just follow the link within the UI itself to provide that feedback. And if you want to switch back to the old legacy UI for a little while, no problem at all. Just simply click the button and it will take you back to your existing user interface. We're expecting to make this a general availability release within the next 3 to 6 months, but we're really looking for your feedback to help us improve this UI over the next few months to make it ready as our default screen as we reach the end of this year. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.